If you're a developer, a small business owner, or someone building apps and websites, you already know the struggle. Shared hosting gets slow, and real VPS servers cost a fortune. Today I'll show you a VPS option that's powerful, affordable, and beginner-friendly. I'm talking about Hostinger VPS. It starts at $4.99 per month, but during Black Friday you get 67% off, and with my link, you get an additional 20% discount. But before talking about pricing, let me show you why this VPS actually helps you work better. First, resources are dedicated. That means no noisy neighbors slowing down your website or app. You get your own CPU, RAM, and full root access to install whatever stack or framework you want. Node, Laravel, Python apps, Docker containers, game servers, anything. Second, Hostinger makes VPS simple. Even if you're not a pro, you get a clean dashboard, one-click OS templates, snapshots, and AI-powered support. So instead of wasting hours fixing server issues, you can focus on building your project. Third, performance. Fast SSD, NVMe storage, global data centers, and stable uptime. If you're running a client website, an e-commerce store, or a side project, reliability is not optional. And now about the deal. Because it's Black Friday, you get 67% off. And if you use the link in the description, you get an additional 20% discount on top of that. For many people, this will be the cheapest way to launch a VPS that actually performs. So if you want a faster website, more control, or a server that can grow with your business, check the link below. Try Hostinger VPS, save some money, and most importantly, give your project the resources it deserves.